naman sa another episode ng Limiter Vlog. So, for today's video, lumabas ako kasi bibili ako ng acid rain remover na solution. Kasi gusto kong linisan si Wiggy Wiggy. Wow! Medyo may mga acid rain siya sa windshield niya. Tatanggalin natin yun. Actually, nag-try na ako kanina kasi may nabasa ako. Ayaw ko sana lumabas. Home remedy for acid rain removal. O yun, nakita, vinegar daw, tapos water. Di ako naman, nag-mix ako doon. Naglagay-lagay, nag-spray na ako.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.
So, hindi effective tong tinry nating vinegar with water. Kaya, bibili na lang tayo sa hardware ng acid rain remover. Yan, hindi siya effective. Tagal ko nang nagkikis-kis doon, hindi pa rin nabubura. Wala siyang effect. Kaya ngayon, bibili lang tayo. Mura lang naman yun. Mga nasa 150 lang, mga ganun, 110, ganyan. Tayo na lang. Yun na lang yung gagamitin natin para remove agad. Kasi sinisipag ako ngayon maglinis. Alam nyo na, lagi tayong masipa. Kaya tutuloy-tuloy natin.
Uy, sana all!
After nun, pag may time pa yung gilid, try kong tanggalin yung mga stains naman.
Wow naman! Wow!
Matatanggal naman siya ng one-step detailing, which is 900 pesos. Ayoko nga, nagtitipid nga ako Kaya ko naman yun. Kaya ako na lang. So, isi-share ko sa inyo paano gagawin natin. Sa ngayon, hahanap muna tayo ng mabibilan ng acid rain remover solution. Pinababa natin sa ganda. Sabi ko magtanong siya doon kung meron. Pero meron naman sa Banawe. Ayoko nang lumayo Baka pagbalik ko ng bahay, tinatamad na ako. Hindi na ako nakapaglinis. Kaya dito lang sa malapit. Hena, si ganda. Mukhang may nabili siya. Diba? May nabili si ganda. Galing talaga. So ito, 250 pesos daw. Ayan.
1 eternity later.
Yan, nabasa na natin instruction and sabi dito, maglagay lang daw ng solution sa cloth. Palagay tayo ilang drops. Then, apply natin from top to bottom. Ingatan nyo lang na matuyuan siya nito sa glass kasi magbe-blur yung glass nyo. Kaya dapat may pang-buhos kayo ng tubig. Tanggal agad dito. Wow! Hindi pa to. Tanggal agad. Lagyan to agad ng tubig. Baka mag-blur siya. Busan agad natin. Grabe, tanggal ka agad Ayos to Yan kita-kita nyo na yung loob Wala na yung mga acid rain, di ba?
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Wow!
Linis, no? Yung side na to, tapos na. Yung kabila, lalagyan pa lang natin.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power
Uy, sana all!
in the way I be. And when my mind turns out with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the...
So, dadamay na rin natin tong gilid kasi effective naman siya. Ayun, no, makikita nyo ang liwanag, no? Wow! Kasi nung una, blurry siya. Ngayon, yan, napalitan na. Kita nyo na yung loob. Effective! Sulit ang 250.
Making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my...
Idamay na rin natin itong likod kasi may mga acid rain na rin ako nakikita. Para sulit ka sulit. Pero may kalahati pa siya. Hindi pa natin naubos.
Stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby.
So, ito yung before ng video nung suka yung gamit ko. And ito naman yung after na bumili na tayo ng acid rain remover talaga. Wow! Grabe, yung kitang-kita mo na yung loob. Kahit ang dilim sa loob, oh. Wala na yan. Na-wipe na namin ang husdali, ganda yan. Ngayon, ito naman. Ito sa wiper para malinisan, kailangan nyo dito warm water and soap. Tingnan mo. So, kukuha tayong warm water sa loob. Ako na ganda.
A few inches later.
Lalagyan na rin pala natin ng tubig yung wiper nito. Baka kasi ubos na. Yan! Ganda rin. Wow! So, yan. Ang hinalo ko dito, Joy dishwashing and water, of course. Lalagyan natin yan. Huwag kayong maglalagay ng powder na detergent. Kasi magbabara-bara yun. Kailangan liquid lang din ilagay nyo.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling.
So, warm water na to and soap. Ganda, hawakan mo yung loob. Hawakan mo. Ginagawa mo. Mainit eh. Warm lang yan.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Magkano lang naman tong rubber ng wiper. Pero dahil lang titipid tayo, hindi tayo bibili. Pilinis lang tayo. Dapat warm water para lumambot siya. Kasi pag winipe top, gaganon. Tsaka isa pang reason kung bakit may tunog yung wiper, kasi madumi yung glass. Ayan yan, na-wipe na natin. Ito, doble-doble linis na yan.
And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Ngayon, tapos na. Punasan na natin siya ng chamwa. Para tuyong-tuyo na.
Way back a year ago. I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby.
Wow!
So yun mga maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay dito sa short video natin. Binlag ko na lang din siya para makita nyo kung paano yung ginagawa ko pag may acid rain. So tinry ko yung kanina yung suka kasi home remedy. Pero bumibili talaga kami kasi tinatamad lang akong lumabas kanina. Hanggang sa lumabas lang nga kami para bumili ng solution. Then ayan, kuko. No. Dirty hands, clean money, di ba? Sagot?
Ay, oo.
Sagot yung camera.
Oo.
So yun, sa mga susunod na gagawin natin, try ko naman yung sa body paint kung paano magtanggal ng mga stains. Yan, try natin. Pag sinipag ulit tayo sa susunod na araw. So see ya! Gagana na kami with this Riggy!